Windows 7, one of the best operating systems according to people back in 2007, nearly 18 years ago. People were obsessed with Windows 7. It was like a kid with a bubblegum lollipop. But why? Why did everybody love Windows 7 so much? Well, there are four main reasons why people loved it so much, and I will be explaining these reasons in this video by yours truly. So, I want to try Windows 7 so I can see all the cool stuff and why everyone likes it. But slight problem, this isn't an Intel, this is Apple made CPU. And it's not even the same architecture, which an architecture that Intel has is x86_64, which has a different set of instructions. And this is an ARM-based CPU, which has a completely different set of instructions. So even if I had an Intel CPU that was ARM, I couldn't even run Windows 7 since it wasn't made for those special instructions, which is where this cool app called UTM comes in. Why is it open on the other screen? Okay, it's a free app, but you can pay $10 USD on the App Store, and you get automatic updates, and you support them. They have a gallery, so if you wanted to get a pre-set up fake machine, which is what they call a virtual machine, a computer inside your computer, they have a bunch of those. I'm going to be using the Windows 7 ones right here. I need a fake CD, which is called an ISO file. I'm using the one that I downloaded off Internet Archive earlier. Okay, press any key. Alright, here we go. Okay, this is now just a standard Windows install. I'm gonna install it. I thought it was done after the restart. Finally. Here we go. There's my macOS cursor here too. There we go. Password A. Top 10 most secure passwords. I don't think the servers for updates are online anymore, other than Beijing, trust me. As you can see, there's no drivers installed at all, which UTM comes with a handy feature, Spice Guest Tools. It's supposed to get drivers for everything. Let's see, it should be in the CD drive. Okay, it's not in the CD drive. Let me just try that again. I had to eject it, I think. And now, do it. Finally, that took way longer than expected. That's cool how the startup shines. Okay, slight problem. I need to adjust some things. Okay, let's try this again. I sure have to do this all over again. What is this? This is getting a bit annoying. This is way harder than I thought it would. Simple video. That's it, I give up. I've spent the past hour trying to get the fancy arrow effects so I could show you guys why. It was part of the reasons I spent the past hour trying to do this. Okay, I'll just search it up. It was this cool glassy effect. This is such a high quality image. Hell, it looks so nice, but I've been trying to get GPU acceleration available, but it just won't let me. It's just the stupid basic color. Okay, I'm gonna keep trying. Okay, second plan. I have another MacBook from 2015, so I'll just use that. I'll see you guys on the Intel Mac. Change of plans. This is gonna take 10 times longer than this. And I have Dell Latitude. Oh, I'm pretty sure this already has Windows 7 installed. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna have my real name, so I'm just gonna pretty sure that's where the real name is. Or whatever. Yeah, see, it has Windows. It already had Windows 7. I wasted a whole dang hour. Okay, but as you can see, I think it might be missing a tiny bit of drivers, so I finally found a USB thing that writes to the USB after an hour. It's only 22:48. I mean, it's already halfway through. Then I just gotta reinstall Windows 7 on that. I mean, how long could it take? Okay, so I used a simple, well, not so simple. It was really time consuming. It's not even 10:49. So I got VirtualBox on the Mac. I'm just gonna use the Mac. I do not want to deal with all that stupid stuff on the Dell Latitude. So I have the disk image here, so I'll create. So let me just set up a virtual machine. Of course it doesn't work. It never works. Why would it work? Now I just gotta install Windows. You know what? I quit. I tried everything. It just wouldn't work. I tried to do everything. Nothing worked. Sorry, I tried getting the Windows Arrow. That was like one of the coolest things about Windows 7. Anywho, that was one of the first reasons why everyone loved Windows 7. Even though it doesn't have Arrow, it still has a really cool and nice looking vibe to it. Like, even though it doesn't have Arrow, it looks really nice. The second reason that people loved Windows 7 is because it didn't have as much spyware and it had a lot of privacy and it wasn't bloated. There's only like these main apps. Nothing really that. It was really good. It didn't take as much hard drive space and it didn't slow down the system. Third reason is that it worked on almost every single piece of hardware, unlike what came before Windows Vista. And the fourth reason was that there's a ton of features. Like, it introduced this standard layout. It had remote desktop. It had a Windows Media Center. It was really good. Like, look at this. Like, doesn't that just sound amazing? That's like part of reason 1 too. Like, it was just super nice back in 2000. To sum it up, Windows 7 was loved because all its cool new features, how it looked, how it respected your privacy. It might not look super nice because I don't have supported graphics, but if you had a Windows 7 PC back in the day, you probably would have loved it. Unlike my virtual machine experience. That's all.